Hey, how are you? Can you roll your window down a little bit more for me so I can hear you?
That should be good enough.
You want to hand me your driver's license?
No, they're right here.
Why won't you hand me?
Roll your window down. Down.
Is there something I can do for you?
Yeah, I'm asking you why you're parked in this.
Are you serious? That was assault.
No, I wasn't.
You about to lose your job.
No, I wasn't.
You just pushed the door
I
intentionally,
didn't even know you were there.
Oh, you didn't?
No.
Liar. Michael, you saw that?
What happens when you know your rights better than the cops? In today's video, a citizen calmly shuts down officers who tried everything from intimidation to flat-out made-up laws. From traffic stops to sidewalk standoffs, this is how you stand your ground without backing down. No ID, no compliance, just facts, law, and confidence. Let's watch how it's done like a pro.
You're just fine. I'll speak up a little louder so you can hear me.
A little bit for me. I'm Deputy Henny, Grace County Sheriff's Office.
That's
Get
fine.
Your license, get your insurance with you.
Yep. May I ask the reason for the nature of the stop?
I will after you hand me your license and insurance, okay? Can you hand me your driver's license?
It's on this side here. Traffic's noise. If you're worried about the traffic, you're on the same side as the traffic noise, okay?
Guy, I can't hear you. Roll the window down just a little bit more for me, okay?
If you're worried about the traffic noise, you're on the same side as the traffic over there. So I'll go ahead and get the luxury of you to put my driver's license and my insurance on this side of the window here, okay?
You want to hand me your driver's license?
No, they're right here.
Why won't you hand me your driver's license?
Because Texas law states I only have to exhibit them. I don't have to hand them over.
Well, you want to hold it out so I can get your information?
It's right here, right against the window here.
This way so I can get your information.
I don't want to have to reach over there. I don't want you to say I'm reaching for anything. I want to keep my hands where you can see them. Everything right here that you need is right against this window here. And I'm just going to remain silent for the rest of the traffic stop, okay? How can I help you?
Hey, Mr. Turner, still live the same address on your license?
I'm gonna remain silent.
Say again?
Gonna remain silent.
All right. Do you want me to tell you why you got pulled over? Or do you want to remain silent?
I'm still waiting for that explanation.
I can't hear you. Speak up for me, please.
Still waiting for that explanation.
One more time.
Still waiting for that explanation.
Hey, sir, I can't hear you.
I can hear you just fine, so I'm pretty sure I can hear you.
I can't hear you because of the traffic and you got this window rolled down like 3 inches.
Yeah, sure. You can tell me why you pulled me over.
Okay, do you want to know what the reason?
Yes, I'm still waiting.
Okay. Hey, did you happen to see me sitting on the side of the road back there a couple miles?
No, I was just driving on the road.
Hey, when you came by in the left-hand lane, but you're following the vehicle in front of you, about probably a car length and a half back. Were you aware that you're going that close?
I have a dash cam right here.
I can't hear you.
I understand. I know how far I was away from the vehicle.
How far were you?
What's that?
How far were you from the vehicle in front of you when you came by?
I know how far away. I know how far away I was, and that's all I'm gonna say.
How far were you then?
I have it on my dash cam. That's all I'm saying.
You what?
I have it on my dash cam right here, which is recording.
All right.
And that's all I'm gonna say. So you're aware that
you're probably a car length and a half or so back from this person in front of you?
I'm gonna say it's on my dash cam.
Say again?
It's on my dash cam.
Okay. Hey, do you know how fast you were going when you came by chance?
It's on my dash cam.
How fast were you going?
It's on my dash cam.
You don't know how fast you were going?
It's on my dash cam.
Okay. All right. Hey, when's the last time you got a ticket? Mr. Turner, when's the last time you got a ticket?
I'm remaining silent right now.
Say again?
I'm gonna remain silent.
You're gonna remain silent? Mm-hmm. Okay. All right. Hey, I'll be right back with you, okay?
Okay. What ended up happening was he ran my plates, and I had got a ticket here a long time ago. It was like a while back. I would say about almost 4 years ago. I got a ticket here, and he didn't pull me over immediately. He ran my tags first and then decided to pull me over. And then he wanted to ask me questions such as, do you know how close you were following which is on my dash cam. I don't have to answer that question. And he was asking me how fast do I think I was going. You don't have to answer that question either. It's on my dash cam. Whether or not if you don't have a dash cam, you don't have to answer those questions.
Hey, roll that window down a little bit more and I check that tent.
All right, give me 1 second.
It's a little bit more. You go ahead and put your camera up here, that's fine. Just do it a couple more inches for me, okay? There you go. Let me hold the camera so you can get the reading.
I see it, 29.7.
29.7. All right. So, you live up here now? Mr. Turner, you living up here now?
I'm not answering any questions.
Say again?
I'm not answering any questions.
Why don't you want to answer any questions?
Because I'm exercising my Fifth Amendment right now.
Okay. All right. You do this all the time?
I can give you a business card after we're finished.
Say again?
I said I can give you a business card after we're finished.
Please? We're done.
We're done?
This is a warning for a traffic stop.
What was the warning for?
What did I tell you why you originally got pulled over? For following too closely?
I'm not sure you were asking me questions, so I'm not sure if that was the reason why you were pulling me over. So you were asking me if I was following too close, you asked me how fast I was going.
Yeah.
But I still don't know why you're pulling me over.
Because you were following the vehicle in front of you too close.
So okay.
Okay? That's why you got pulled over. If you have all that stuff on your dash camera, you'll know it. Okay?
Sure.
So when you go back and look at it, you probably see my car parked on the side of the road. So you living up in this area now?
I'm not gonna answer any questions.
All right.
Mind if I get your business card or anything like
I don't
that?
have any with me. Do you have a business card? I have one of yours?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
Can I get your name and badge number?
It's Hanning, number 18.
And your name and badge number?
Barker, 12.
Am I free to go or am I still being detained?
Oh, you're free to go. So where's this at?
And that's how you handle being pulled over by the police. You don't answer questions. Because you answer questions, that's only for them to build evidence that they don't have against you. They think you're speeding, so they're gonna ask you if you were speeding. If you say you were speeding, then you just had admitted to speeding and you're guilty. So best thing to do is don't answer questions, remain silent, and let them do all the work.
What can we do for you?
I'm just taking a look around.
Okay. What are you here for?
I'm just taking a look around.
Look around for what? Yeah. For what?
Huh?
What are you here for? What are you looking around for?
I'm taking a look around, taking some photos and video.
Of what? Why?
The office.
Why? The request remains. Why?
Do I need to have a reason?
Yes, you do.
Why is that?
Because you just can't come in here video this office without a reason. You can't give us a reason why?
Yeah, I have a reason.
Well, tell us.
I don't have to tell you
We don't
why.
have to let you stay here and do it either.
Huh?
We don't have to let you stay in here and do it either. So you're gonna have to leave.
I have to leave?
Yeah. Unless you want to turn the video off.
Who are you?
I'm security here. That's who I am.
Oh, you're security?
Yes, that's right.
You got a name?
No, I don't have to give you my name. You have a name?
Who do you work for?
Either you're gonna leave voluntarily or I have the police come remove you.
No, don't do that.
Well, come on.
You can turn off your camera, you still need a recording.
Who are you? You work here?
You asking all these questions about us. You can't get nothing out of you.
I just came in here
You came in
peacefully.
here to video this office. We asked you why. You can't get. You can't
I came in here peacefully. Now you guys are being all hostile with me. I'm just trying to ask. I'm trying to ask who.
We asked you why you coming here to video this office.
And I told you I have
can't
a.
tell?
I told you I have a reason. I don't need to tell you.
Well, we don't have.
I would like to know who. I would like to know who spoke to me. What's your name?
Well, have a seat, we'll get some information. Just have a seat, okay?
I don't need to take a seat. What's your name?
Just wait right there.
I'm gonna finish doing what I was doing. Thank you very much.
Have a seat, you're right with me.
And what's your name?
Don't worry about what my name is. My name's not important to you.
No, you spoke to me.
What's your name?
I don't need to tell you that.
I don't need to tell you mine either.
You work here.
I don't. So what? You are here trespassing.
I'm trespassing.
Yes, you are. You're not doing any business here.
Do you know that for sure?
Yeah, I know it for sure. What are your business? What's your business? State your business. All right, let's get 911 here.
Uh-oh, don't call 911.
Yes, we will.
Why would you call
Because
911?
you're trespassing.
Why would you call 911? You should only call 911 if there's an emergency.
We have one.
You can have a seat and be with you just a minute.
What is the emergency, sir?
I'm done talking to you.
Are you a supervisor here? Okay, right here. Are you a supervisor?
I am, yeah.
You should probably direct him to not call 911.
Why not? I'm security here. I can do whatever I want.
You can do whatever you want.
Yeah, when I got a customer like you, get that video off of me. Turn it off of me.
Don't touch me.
Move your camera out of my face.
Don't you dare touch me.
Move your camera out of my face.
Don't you dare touch me.
Move your camera out of my face.
Private security. What's your name, man?
Don't worry about what my name is.
It's gonna be your last day working here, buddy.
600 Governor Boulevard. I need assistance from an officer. Have a guy in our office trespassing. He's filming our office and he won't tell us why and he refuses to leave. That's correct.
Damn. Are you serious, bro?
Are you serious?
Are you serious?
Police on the way to get you, guy.
Are you serious? That was assault.
No, I wasn't.
You about to lose your job.
No, I wasn't.
You just pushed the door
I
intentionally,
didn't even know
maliciously.
you were there.
Oh, you didn't?
No.
Liar. Michael, you saw that?
I don't see number. Move out of my way. You're blocking my way. Police will be here in a minute. Don't worry. Stay right there.
You just assaulted me.
We're here to help people, so come in and help. And he just stands there with a camera and starts videotaping.
No, I was asking how was he harassing anybody.
How is he harassing us? He's harassing my security guard. He's. I've already had this conversation without him.
Okay. You can keep him.
Okay. So he came in, didn't say why he was here. We asked, can we help you? He didn't say anything. What did you do to help him? And he started with the camera, and as he is doing it right now.
Do you have a lock to that door?
It locks automatically. But we can't lock it.
Verbally.
Yeah. What was said?
He was asking me about who am I, asking me my name. Just generally uncooperating with me asking him to leave the property and why was he here? Why did he walk in here with his camera filming the property?
Okay. So it's more of a
Trespassing.
So I'm not gonna deny it's kind of weird to just sitting here recording that. I mean, right now it's all it is being weird. He's not.
So the question then is, you're here in this office. How can we help you? What can we do for you?
Give me a second. I'm gonna go talk.
I'm sorry, what was that? What did you just tell him to do? Did you just tell him to lock the door? What's your name and badge number?
How can we help you, sir?
What's your name and badge number,
How
buddy?
can we help you?
Boss, would you communicate with me?
Sharondo.
I'm also
Absolutely not, because you said I'm weird.
Okay.
What's your name and badge number?
I'm gonna go talk to this dude.
Just let you know, you're gonna open yourself up for civil litigation if you lock this door. Get out of my way, please.
I'm not moving.
You're not moving.
I'm not moving. You better not touch me. I'm not gonna get out your way. This is my space. You're in my space.
This guy just said to lock the door. What's your name and badge number? Can you identify, sir?
Deputy Fong, 2298.
Deputy Fong, thank you so much.
You're the property manager, aren't you? Yeah. All right.
You said I was on the 3rd floor. You want me gone. What's your name? You work for the community school district? You said you want me gone. Before any of you officers make any mistakes, you might want to call a supervisor. Fong? Might want to call a supervisor. Somebody with some rank, like a sergeant, lieutenant, somebody. All right, guys, we're in the city of Dublin, California. This is Dublin PD. It looks like they want to violate my rights. This security guard right here already violated my rights. They are trying to trespass me from a public office. Fong is the only officer who did identify. This guy out here said I was acting weird.
Come on out, sir.
All right, guys. Here he comes right here. All right, guys, this is Dublin Police. So what'd you do? Try to solicit a trespass? Is that what you did? This is Sharondo. What's your first
At least
name?
you said my name right. I
What's your
appreciate
first
that.
name?
You don't need to know that.
All right, guys, this is how Dublin PD acts. So they're going to try to trespass me or remove me from a public office, which is completely 100% illegal. You guys might want to call a supervisor before you make a big mistake. Is your body cam on?
100% it is.
Is your body cam on?
We can't come in here and arrest him. I gave you the manager, but if he's here recording, being weird, he's allowed
Why do you
to
keep
do
saying
that.
being weird?
The only way we can arrest him is if he's disrupting business or actively doing anything that causes.
Well, he's obstructing it because we have people waiting, and as we're dealing with him, we couldn't assist the public. So he was.
But that's because he's standing up.
So this guy is right here trying to conspire against me.
It's different. Okay. But if he's just standing here, he's allowed to stand.
So if we
All right.
close at noon when the door locks, we'll do at lunch. Yes.
Different case. Yeah, because you're closed.
Do you guys have business
If he's
operations?
here recording, he's able to.
But at 12 o'clock when we shut down.
You guys have hours of operations posted on the wall?
If you're
Okay.
closed at 12, then of course he has to go. That's a different story.
What if he doesn't?
So right now he's allowed to be here.
Yeah, I'll be here till 12, and I'll come back at 1.
You have any other questions for me?
I have no questions.
All right.
Name and badge number.
Clinton, badge 2608.
Thank you. Sharonda, what's your name and badge number? Oh my God, you guys.
That's how it's done. No yelling, no running, just standing firm, knowing the law, and refusing to play their game. You don't need to be a lawyer to assert your rights, just informed and calm. The more people learn how to handle these encounters, the harder it becomes for bad cops to get away with overreach. Like, comment, and share if you believe in accountability, and subscribe for more real-world lessons in how to stand your ground.